Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today guys, we'll show you where to find the fuse for the starter solenoid on your Dodge Journey or Fiat Freemont, guys. Okay, that same vehicle, that Dodge Journey, in the rest of the world is known as Fiat Freemont. The same vehicle under two different names. So, let me guys introduce you to the channel quick. We're going to have guys more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. We'll have fuses, we'll have engine codes, transmission codes, anything you can think of, different tests as well. So please subscribe guys, our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Now, this vehicle has two fuse boxes. One is under the hood there, one is behind the glove box. We need to find the one that's under the hood now. Okay, this is the fuse box, right here. And in order guys to remove that cap, you can see those two things. You need to squish them towards each other and pull up. Flip it this way and you can see now, okay, this fuse box layout corresponds to what we have here. We need to find now, okay guys, fuse number 149. Okay, fuse number 149. It's really hard to read them sometimes, that's why we want to make the video where things are located, so you know, okay, you know guys what to expect. So you can see 146, 147, it doesn't make any sense at all. Then 145, 140, and all of a sudden, okay, it goes to, okay, 148 here, so it should be, okay, it should be hidden somewhere here. So okay, right there guys, check it out. It doesn't make any sense the way they label them. 149 starter fuse, it's supposed to be a 30 amp fuse. So corresponding to this one, okay, you can see relay, and then we have the fuse right here. So we got the fuse puller guys with the white part. Okay, we're going to grab the fuse, we need to shake it a little bit and pull at the same time. Okay, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and grab the new one quick. Okay, and I'm going to show you on the new one. If your car doesn't start and you're wondering if it's the fuse, always test the new ones too. You can usually see the condition of the fuse through the glass, but I'll recommend to always test them. Okay, and these fuse guys, all the fuse and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. So set your voltmeter on continuity, and if the fuse is good, it will be like touching these two together, it will show 0. If it's blow, it will show 1. So check it out now. 0, perfect. So this is a good fuse. So all we have to do, push it all the way in, just like that. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. Please, Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out, we have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.